Basically it's 4 sections, which is like a diamond section. So it's kind of like the piece over the ear and the other piece over the ear. And then you would separate the top and the back. So now you basically have 4 sections. So hopefully you can see my sections okay. So we have one here, one here, one here, and then the one coming back through the crown. So when we work this braid through, the most important thing is sectioning and then also keeping your sections incredibly clean. But the actual manipulations of it are very, very, very simple. So when you gather this hair, you want to gather the first piece from over here into like the first piece in your left hand. Then take the second piece from underneath, which was our nape section. So it could be drawn something like this. So one piece here in this finger, one piece here. Then the third piece comes from the top down into like my ring finger slot here. So now I have, if I can slow this down, there's the one piece, two piece, three piece, 1, 2, 3. And then the fourth one finally comes from here and rests in my pinky. So now I have my 4 strands. Okay, hopefully you can see this okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now, when you have this braid gathered here, you want to take the third piece. So now I'm working with both hands. So basically, this braid is going to be passed from one hand to the other hand. So as I'm working this braid through, I basically want to take this braid and work the third piece from my outside hand. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I pick up this third piece, take it all the way over to the first, pick it in my hand here, so now it's in my first piece over here. This is in my second piece, and then I twist these into my other finger. Then once I have this, I take the third piece coming from the opposite side of my hand, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and take this third piece, twist it back over in front of the first piece, and then just simply twist these pieces into my hand here. So then it's just basically rinse and repeat. So you always are working from one hand to the next, where you take 1, 2, 3, the third piece, pick that up, bring it all the way over here, put the first piece into your hands, and then twist and just lay those right into your finger. So then you would take from this side working this way, 1, 2, 3, pick up the third piece, twist it over, grab this first piece, and then twist these here. So then you would go 1, 2, 3, over to here, into this, twist this piece over, then it would be 1, 2, 3, twist into this piece, and this is how you start creating your chain. So that as you work this down, it becomes this like really awesome braid all the way around. And the nice thing about it is it stays the same from all the way around. So no matter how you look at the braid, it's always the same.